te thigari ate magaikia karango jate akahingiririo. Can you imagine? What is that? Wajeta ora muhingiririe ta we hinde yo kwanja. Tekira no no koni social media mekonia ni for all the mania ni for ne bothi kuri matando ari ati no ndiketekira ati nigetha ndikia barale inde wa ciana kiagirwo gitio hiyo hapana ine ndaumire gwake na ena iteo ciake ta ithe wa ciana
ungiona mutumia handu arekire, and that's why I respect every woman. Ungiona mutumia anyitireire handu akirekia, umenye kuri handu anyitire mundu na moko guo akiona either sagure gukua kana gutura muoyo. But you ever think you can come here and justify men like they are angels? Muthuri wanatigwa kana mutumia wanatigwa mkwari na mathina. So let us just calm down. Let us calm down. Women, atumia katutagitiga maundu macio magusabania. If a woman is doing better than you, can you just appreciate that a woman, a fellow woman has made it? So the chances of you making it is high. Ugiona mutumia ugiona damathi etiaga kinya kuwa kinyite. Nikumanisha nawe no ukinye. Reke tutige kwambia kurehe ciremithia ati kinogo riria kiamenyire gitingenyita makorofia kiambirie kuga ni methe makutire makorofia methe ni meru no haria tutari turakinyira na no tugukinyira tondu kuri umwe witu warire ona ithu no tukaria in the mighty name of Jesus. Gutire mutumia mukarange na gutire mutumia utari mukarange. We are all equal and we are looking for love. If I'm looking for love, stop judging me. Judge the person that have given me love. Mundu ria watetekeririe kuigira thiini wa ngoro yake agicoka kenda kujabithia ucio niwe wagire kujudge. And I'm not here to shame any man or any woman because that's none of my business. That's none of my business. But now, up to when? Agikuru kuri mundu ngai aroire social media atagereire a mainstream media na niangirete ni wageshi wa Kariuki. I can only salute them that those people have grown organically with with no godfathers, with no one to look up to. Please, if you have seen a person that is growing, and that's why I even respect Gedaiga, even that Gedaiga who called me names, Digemoruma, because I know what it has taken for that man to be where he is. It is not easy for a man to grow organically on social media. So if you see aduari to akorirwo mbere reke tuhe gitio ati ngai ni araukire kuhingurira andu ciama matuike anene gutukira, and that does not mean that they are demeaning us. It's only that God has his way of making things. God has his way of choosing things. So let us love each other. Reke tuendanire wega. Just wish that that family can come together. When ukena wake niri ukiona twana trees atukirira agikorwo ni urakenda ndagacoke ndagagikuere ni sawa, but why don't you advocate for friendship between the father if you are genuine as you think? Ne tutirakirega ni murauga ni eguthi kuragwo na ni gukuakuaga ni sawa ona ndagacoke, but would you just see those children crying in front of the parents and you still just thump that matigicoka nukawe ngui? Are you mad? What kind of a human are you? You'd rather even advocate medane tarata. You are not even saying that she needs to go back. We're saying that those children need their parents. Doesn't mean that other parents are not able, should not meet. Agikuru ciana citu kuria tumire nacio citire nafa citihota kuona ciari ciana cia mundu ungi citihagirire gucabata ciakwa. I still advocate that parents should allow the children to go and meet, and unfortunately that's the way society is. Let us not be hypocritical on the way the status is that aduaria mahikite makihiko kona ne marenda kuhika mena ciana na ciana icio ciari na ithe na nyina na ngikoro no kuhotekereke masemanagie na ciana icio gutire na mathina mena cio. But we cannot sit here and start just thumping matigacokano. For what reason? Ona tutirakiuga macokano ndukireke matuikie arata ciana cionage nyina na cikona ithe cigakena. What the heck of a society are we having? I don't care what people will write. nie ne menyerete kurumwo, nie ne menyerete kwaririo uru, nie ona ne menyerete kwirwo na ne daigire benten. I don't give a hoot. My husband is my husband, na muthuri wakwa agienda kundigania ndingimaka, na muthuri wakwa agienda tuikare no tuguikarania, because we are not slaves of love. Netwiranaga, we are not slaves of love. We love each other freely. We fight very much. If that is news, if you think that fighting with Martin is news, we fight and we love each other. Even our estate knows. We fight and we come back together, because we still think there is something to continue. So let us not make love as a slavery. Eke tutige gutua wendo ati ni ukombo. Eke tutige kuigirira maisha mene ati we command. Neki Karagwe ekite andu aria angi matari meka. Karagwe ati ndakiuga ni endete mutumia wake agicambithio mbere ya andu, agithie na mbere na kwaria, andu no marauga ati ni narcissist, andu ni marauga ni surely. Are we doing any better? Seriously? Are we even better? So yeah, mutumia ucio auga na ni aria muthuri wake onokorwo ndaramwenda atige gutreatwo ta mundu utari mundu. She has two